Hello and welcome back to Paws and Planet TV, your trusted destination for pet care, animal facts, and nature awareness. As pet owners, we all want our furry companions to live long, healthy, and happy lives. We provide them with food, shelter, love, and medical care. But among all the responsibilities that come with owning a pet, one of the most important is making sure they are properly vaccinated. Unfortunately, many pet owners are confused about vaccinations. Some wonder if vaccines are really necessary. Others are unsure which vaccines their pets need or how often they should receive them. There are also many myths and misconceptions online that can make it difficult to know what information to trust. The good news is that understanding pet vaccinations doesn't have to be complicated. In today's video, we will explain what vaccines are, how they work, why they are important, the disease they help prevent, recommended vaccination schedules, possible side effects, and common myths that every responsible pet owner should know. By the end of this video, you will have a much clearer understanding of how vaccinations help protect your pet and why they remain one of the most effective tools in modern vet medicine. So let's get started. What are pet vaccines and how do they work? Before we talk about specific vaccines, it's important to understand what vaccines actually do. Every day, pets are exposed to countless bacteria, viruses, and other disease causing organisms in their environment. Some of these organisms are harmless, but others can cause serious illness. A vaccine helps prepare your pet's immune system before it encounters a dangerous disease. Vaccines contain weakened, inactive, or modified versions of disease causing organisms. These ingredients stimulate the immune system without causing the full disease itself. When a pet receives a vaccine, the immune system learns how to recognize that particular threat. It then creates antibodies and immune memory cells that remain ready to respond in the future. If the pet later encounters the real disease, the immune system can react much faster and more effectively. In many cases, this prevents serious illness before developing. Think of a vaccine as a training program for your pet's immune system. Instead of learning during a real emergency, the body gets a chance to prepare in advance. This is why vaccination is considered prevention rather than treatment. Why are vaccinations so important? Many infectious diseases can spread rapidly among animals and have devastating consequences. Some diseases can damage major organs, affect the nervous system, cause severe dehydration, or even lead to death. Treatment for these illnesses can also be expensive and may require hospitalization, medications, and intensive vet care. Vaccinations help reduce these risks significantly. By vaccinating your pet, you are giving them protection against diseases that could otherwise become life-threatening. Vaccination also benefits the wider pet community. When more animals are vaccinated, diseases have fewer opportunities to spread. This helps protect vulnerable animals such as young puppies, kittens, elderly pets, and animals with weakened immune systems. In simple terms, vaccines protect individual pets while also helping create healthier communities for all animals. Core vaccines every pet should receive. VET classifies certain vaccines as core vaccines. These are considered essential because they protect against serious and widespread diseases. For dogs, core vaccines typically include protection against rabies, canine distemper, parvovirus, and adenovirus. Rabies is one of the most dangerous viral diseases and can affect both animals and humans. Canine distemper can damage the respiratory, digestive, and nervous systems. Parvovirus is highly contagious and can cause severe vomiting, diarrhea, dehydration, and death, especially in puppies. For cats, core vaccines usually include rabies, feline panleukopenia, calicivirus, herpes virus. These diseases can spread easily and may lead to serious health complications. Because of the risk associated with these illnesses, vets recommend core vaccines for almost all dogs and cats regardless of their lifestyle. Non-core vaccines and when they may be needed. In addition to core vaccines, there are non-core vaccines that may be recommended depending on a pet's lifestyle and environment. For example, dogs that frequently visit dog parks, boarding facilities, grooming salons, training centers, or daycare facilities may face greater exposure to certain diseases. These pets may benefit from additional vaccines such as kennel cough or leptospirosis. Similarly, outdoor cats generally face more risk than indoor cats because they may come into contact with other animals and disease sources. Travel can also influence vaccination recommendations. Some regions have diseases that are more common than others. This is why vaccination plans should always be tailored to each individual pet rather than using a one-size-fits-all approach. A vet can help determine which vaccines are most appropriate based on your pet's age, health, lifestyle, and risk factors. Vaccination schedules for puppies, kittens, and adult pets. Vaccination schedules are designed to provide protection at the right stages of pet's life. Puppies and kittens receive temporary immunity from their mothers, but this protection gradually fades over time. Because of this, young pets require a series of vaccinations during their first months of life. These booster shots help build strong and reliable immunity. After the initial vaccine series, pets often require booster vaccinations at specific intervals to maintain protection. The exact schedule may vary depending on the vaccine type, the pet's age, and local vets' guidelines. Pet owners should keep accurate vaccination records and attend regular vet appointments to ensure their pets remain protected. Missing vaccines or delaying boosters can leave pets vulnerable to preventable diseases. Common myths, safety, and side effects. There are many myths surrounding pet vaccinations. One common myth is that indoor pets don't need vaccines. Another myth is that vaccines are more dangerous than the diseases they prevent. In reality, vaccines undergo extensive testing and monitoring to ensure their safety and effectiveness. Most pets experience little or no discomfort after vaccination. Some may show mild side effects such as temporary tiredness, reduced appetite, or slight soreness at the injection site. These reactions usually disappear within a day or two. Serious adverse reactions are rare, but pet owners should contact their vet immediately if they notice severe swelling, breathing difficulties, persistent vomiting, or unusual behavior. The benefits of vaccination generally far outweigh the risks for most pets. Vaccinations are one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect our pets from serious diseases. By understanding how vaccines work, following recommended vaccination schedules, and consulting with your vet, you can give your pet the best possible chance at a healthy and happy life. Remember, vaccines don't just protect your pet today, they help safeguard their future as well. Thank you for watching Paws and Planet TV. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos about pet care, animal facts, and nature awareness. Let us know in the comments, is your pet up to date on their vaccinations? Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.